What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though, you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
What up, KK squad? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Alright, wanna go with your clothes? Take two. Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I just got off YouTube live stream like 30 minutes ago. It's my first time going on live. I was nervous at first because I didn't know what to expect, but it turned out to be pretty good. I wasn't expecting anyone to come on the live, but luckily a couple friends and family came on. Thanks for the support. But if you guys want to check out that live, I saved it on my channel and I'll be doing more live. I'm gonna make it more spicy where I'm gonna be doing topics and playing games with you guys and doing fun stuff, but that's not what I'm here for right now. As you guys see by the title, I'm gonna be talking about brands that I've always wanted to try, like so bad, and I've never tried them. How I came about this video that I'm doing now, GWAAN on YouTube, that's her name. She did a video talking about brands that she has never used before that she wants to try, and I said, okay, why not do a video like this? So shout out to you, GWAAN. Two things why I've never tried them before, but I am gonna try them very soon this year, 2020. Look out for those videos. Like I said, two things why I haven't purchased them is, one, as you guys see, sometimes I get products from companies. I get free hair products. And then another thing is, these products, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna come on here and sugarcoat anything, they are a little expensive. So that's that too. But all these reviews that I've watched with these products and stuff like that, they seems like they're pretty good hair products, so I definitely want to try them out. And as you guys see, I am a product junkie. You see a lot of products here, but most of these products almost finished. Like, yeah, just take my little time, I use them and all these things, but they're almost. Anyways, I'm a little hype right now. I don't know if it's because I was on live and I was already like talking and all that, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna list like about 10 products. Like I said, I've never tried these products before, so there's not much I can tell you guys about these products, but coming soon. The first brand is Main Choice. I've always wanted to try Main Choice brand. It doesn't matter what collection, I've always wanted to try, especially their deep conditioner, because there's this YouTuber that I subscribe to and I've been watching her videos for years now. Her name is PrettyWitty77. She does a lot of deep conditioner treatment on her channel, so that's how I know about this product, Main Choice. I want to try their product so bad. I've seen it so many times in Walgreens, even though Walgreens can be a little expensive, but like I said, I definitely want to try it. I'm going to be trying it this year. Number 2 is Camille Rose. Now, Camille Rose, I've heard really good things about their shampoo and their conditioner. Also, their honey leave-in conditioner. I've seen it so many times, just looking at me in Target, just staring at me like, buy me. And then I literally take it up off the shelf, put it in the basket, then look at the price, and I'm comparing it with other prices, and I'm like, they say it's good, but this is cheaper. So I'm just like in Target, like when I go to Target, I'm in there for hours. I'm just obsessed with these hair products. But Camille Rose, this year for sure, I'm gonna be trying their products. Next we have the Miel Organics. Their products I definitely want to try. I've seen it so many times as well in Target. Picked up their products, ready to buy. This year 2020, ain't no holding back. I am going to be trying these hair products. The next one is the Melanin hair care. I've seen this brand on Instagram, so that's how I knew about the Melanin hair care. I want to try their products as well. I've seen good reviews about it, and why not try it? Why not just come on here with some whole new, because it's just the same thing. I just use the same products all the time. I'm getting tired of these products now. They're pretty good, most of them. But not dash your old for new, but we want something new, right? KK squad, we need something new. So Melanin hair care, I'm coming for you, boo. This next one, Alakay Naturals. Most of the followers that I have on Instagram, because I have a lot of naturals on my Instagram, they rave about this brand so much, especially their lemongrass line. I definitely want to try that one. Like, have you ever looked at something and just by looking at it you're like, that smell good, it have to smell good? I feel like I can already smell it through the phone looking at the products. Like, damn, I want to try that lemongrass. I have my eyes on their products for a while now. Definitely try. So number 7 on my list is the Taraji P. Henson hair care line, hair care products. I've seen good reviews about it, but what got my attention, because I've seen this line in Target as well, picked it up as well, like staring at it, and it's staring back at me. And this is what we do in Target, me and these natural hair products. We just stare at each other like it's a staring contest. What got my attention with her hair care line, everyone should know Taraji P. Henson. That's her. She has a hair care line. I'm getting off track. What I'm trying to tell you guys is the packaging. The packaging got my attention. I'm gonna be trying that this year as well. Definitely. Number 8 is the Uncle Funky's daughter. So I've seen a YouTuber by the name of Chef Beet. She's Jamaican. I think that's where I first saw this brand, Uncle Funky's daughter, because I think she used the curl stimulator, the curl magic stimulator thing, and I want to try that so bad because the way it worked on her hair, and also other products from that brand, I definitely want to try. So number 9 on my list is TGIN. TGIN, I've seen a lot of times when I go in Target. I want to try their deep conditioner so bad. It's the prices, that's what's getting me, but I'm trying them this year. TGIN is number 9 on the list, and number 10, last but not least, is the Go series from Pantene. Another YouTuber by the name of African Beauty, I've seen use the line Go series from Pantene. She gives really good review about their shampoo and conditioner. I tried 3 Target to get this Go series and none of them had it. I tried online, didn't get it either. I don't, maybe they have it now online, but when I tried at the time, they didn't have it. So I'm gonna try again to see if I can get it, because the way she talks about this shampoo and conditioner, I definitely want to try it. That's it for these products that I want to try that I've never tried before. So any products you guys want me to try as well, comment down below in the comment section. Let me know that you've tried and it worked for your hair very well, that I don't have right here, and I'll definitely be putting it on my list. Please go ahead, comment down below, let me know, talk to me in the comment section. Like I said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell to be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe. Please like up the video, click the thumbs up button, make that thumbs up blue, please. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. I really do. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.